Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Before you remove a Google account from Android, back up your data first. Back up contacts, photos, and Drive files to avoid loss. Note the Google account email and any two-step verification settings you may need later. If the device uses Find My Device, disable it as required for certain removals. Charge the device above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi for a stable process. Keep your account password available to sign back in if needed after removal. Open settings and locate accounts or users and accounts depending on your device. Tap the Google account you want to remove from the list of synced accounts. Look for Remove Account, Account Actions, or Delete Account and tap that option to proceed. Confirm the removal when prompted and provide your device PIN, pattern, or password if requested. On Android 9 and newer, this local confirmation frequently appears for security. After removal, your device stops syncing email, contacts. If Remove Account is grayed out, inspect Device Administrator apps and disable any that block removal. Check Settings, Security, and Device Administrators to turn off blocking permissions. If two-step verification or recovery methods block removal, use the account password and recovery email to resolve them. To re-add your account, go to Settings, Accounts, Add Account, choose Google and sign in with your credentials. If Factory Reset Protection locks the device after removal, you must use the original account credentials or perform account recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.